In this video, we will show you how to connect HayDay with Supercell ID. If you guys want to get started with HayDay, you can use the links down in the description. First, open BlueStacks on your PC. Next, look the left side and click on My Games. Now find and click on HayDay to launch the game. Once the game starts, click OK to proceed start playing. Then click on the three-line menu located on the left side of the screen. After that, click on Settings. Here, look for the login option and click on it. Next, click Continue to begin the login process. Enter your email address linked to your Supercell ID and click Login. You'll receive a code in your email. Open your Gmail account and find the email with the code. Carefully note down the code and go back to the game. Enter the code in the required field. Then click Submit. Once done, tap Confirm to verify your account. After that, tap Accept to finish the connection process. Finally, click on the three-line menu again, go to Settings, and check your login status. You should now see your HayDay connected to your Supercell ID. So that's how to connect HayDay with Supercell ID. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with HayDay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.